in the Empower Performance program. Like it really did change everything, because what I was missing was exactly these fundamentals.
How changing the structure and changing the position of joints changes what's happening at the muscular level. And that to me was like,
the way that Katie has this organized is so great, because you're doing something every day to feel it in your own body.
To learn to like rotate at the rib cage and rotate at the pelvis and find length through my glutes.
That's why there are like different variation, different exercise in the portal, because everyone gonna need slightly different thing. And we can't really say what's the right thing for you. You have to try it yourself as well.
She just has a wild brain, and she shares it with everybody that's in EP. So I think that's one of the biggest things.
If you decide to go into that, will help you like dig deeper, but ultimately it's about like feeling it in your own body and creating like your own understanding and system with it, like putting together your like own puzzle.
you don't feel like it's just one thing you're learning about. Like you're getting an understanding of different systems and people's, different people's lenses and their approach to movement. And you get to take what works for you and what works for your clients.
Katie literally armed me with information, but also just like confidence. Like, no, you can do this.